Hello viewers, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. You will get all the notification on every upload of my new video. Let's get started with this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean the clutch cable inside of the clutch cable. Here you can see so much of dust deposited around the region of clutch lever. So I'll pull the clutch and you can see so much of dust deposited on the cable. Now we need to clean that. For that we need to remove the clutch cable from the clutch assembly. Now I'm going to remove this cover. So you can see now clearly how much dust is deposited. We need to clean this all the dust. Now the cover is open. Now I need to remove the adjuster by turning it anti-clockwise. Now at this point it's stuck because there is no enough play at the clutch. So you can see there is no play, so that's why it's stuck. For that we need to remove the clutch cable. For that I am using 12 mm spanner and loosening the lock nut. Push it forward like this. Push it forward so that there is enough play to pull out the cable. Now the cable is out of the assembly. Now pull backwards. Now go to the clutch lever at the top. Now you can see there is enough play. I'm removing the adjuster. So it's came out now. Pull it forward and push it downside. Here you can see so much of dirt deposition. You can see it on my fingers. Now remove the adjuster. Now keep it aside on a cloth. We can clean it off later. Now coming to the lever. Here you can see a yellowish washer thing that stops the dust going inside the clutch. We need to remove it. So I taken out the washer. We need to spray inside that cable gap. Here you can see little bit of dust accumulated inside the cable. Moving to the other side to keep the cloth. So here I am keeping the cloth. So whatever I spray at the top side, it will get at the downside. All the waste dust particles that will get deposited on this cloth, blue cloth, you can see that. So here I am placing the cloth in this position. Now let's move to the top. I placed my camera on the tank so that you can get clear visibility on what I am doing. hold a cloth so that spray cannot get onto the ends. I'm using 3M chain cleaner. It's just a mix of kerosene and gas, and it will get out all the dust particles inside the cable. Now hold the spray in the position and slowly spray and hold the cables, pull it and push it. Do it at a constant speed. Here you can see on the screen how I am doing it. Now repeat the same procedure for about 5 to 6 times so that all the dust accumulated inside the cable will get out slowly. Now I am going to fasten the video. Don't skip any part of this video. You will miss important aspect of this video. So if you go to any service center, they will not do this all kind of activities because they are fed up with normal activities like oil changing, chain tightening. So you need to do this by yourself when you are having a free time, or you have to take time to save your bike from damaging. It will also increase the lifetime of your clutch cable and reduces the wear and tear. To the other side, here you can see the dust particles came out. Those grease particles is the dust particle which just came out during the spray of this chain cleaner. You can see so much of dirt which will result in friction while pressing the lever. So moving to the top again, we need to repeat the procedure so that we can confirm that no dust is remained inside the clutch cable. So moving down again, here we can see there is no much dust coming. It means all the dust inside accumulated inside the clutch cable just came out. Now it's time to pull and push in so that remaining kerosene inside the clutch cable comes out. So here you can see very little bit dust came out at the second time. Now moving to the top, we need to put back the yellow washer which stops dust from entering the clutch. So it's fixed. Now we need to put back the clutch cable to the clutch lever. can see here I cleaned the little bit of dust. I'm putting back the clutch cable. So where is the adjuster? So here it is the adjuster. We need to put back the adjuster. Push backwards and push it inside the lever and push it backwards. Now it's time to get the adjuster inside the lever. Turn it clockwise so that it gets inside the lever. Now I'm going to place the camera on the tank so that you can get good visibility. Now the adjuster is fixed tightly. Now it's time to put back the cover. Drag it top side and push it. You can see here everything is perfectly fixed. Now it's time to adjust the clutch lever free play. Moving to the other side. Now we need to assemble the clutch cable to the holder. Now the cable is fixed to holder. Now it's time to fix the clutch lever play. For that we need to do more trial and error procedures. You can see more of play is there. We need to do trial and error process for this. For proper disengagement of clutch, we need to have little bit of free play. So here you can see there is more of free play. So pull it backwards. So here you can see it's perfect now. And I'm going to make it little bit. Now it's perfect. Now the free play is adjusted as per the manual. Now it's time to tighten the lock nuts. For that I am using 12 mm wrench. Tighten it by turning the wrench into clockwise direction. Now moving to the top side. Here you can see the free play is exactly what it's needed. and here the disengagement takes place. From this point the disengagement takes place, and this is the free play. This is the perfect adjustment of clutch.